Look at yourself right now. You can't hold eye contact, not because you're shy, not because you're introverted. You look away because you're living a life you're ashamed of. Every time someone looks at you, you feel like a fraud, and deep down, you know why. You scroll Instagram, showing your gym selfies, your productivity setup, your motivational quotes. But in real life, you're watching porn at 2 a.m., skipping workouts, lying to your parents about what you're doing with your life. You've built this online identity of someone who has their life together. But when you look in the mirror, you see the truth. So when someone makes eye contact with you, your boss, a girl you like, even your friends, you look away. Because maintaining eye contact feels like letting them see through the mask. It feels like they'll discover you're not who you pretend to be. That split second of eye contact triggers every lie you're living, and your body instinctively protects you by making you look down, look away, look anywhere else. And here's what makes it worse. You think it's a confidence problem. It's not. Here's what nobody tells you about eye contact anxiety. It's not a social skills problem. It's a moral problem. You can't fake eye contact when you're living fake. Your body knows when you're out of alignment, and it betrays you in every interaction. In the next 3 minutes, I'm giving you 5 steps that will eliminate eye contact anxiety by fixing the real problem. The shame gap between who you are and who you claim to be. This isn't about confidence tricks. This is about becoming someone you're not ashamed to be. 1. Take the congruence audit. You can't fix shame you haven't identified. Your brain literally punishes you for living incongruently through anxiety and avoidance. Tonight, open your notes app. Create 2 columns. Who I pretend to be versus who I actually am. List every area: fitness, work ethic, relationships, addictions, habits, money. Rate each area 1 to 10 for honesty. Anything below 7 is a shame trigger. Example, Instagram shows daily gym posts. Reality? You haven't worked out in 2 weeks. That's a 3 out of 10. Skip this and you'll keep wondering why you're anxious. You can't solve a problem you won't name. The truth might hurt, but lying to yourself is killing you. 2. Kill 1 lie this week. Shame compounds. Every day you continue living incongruently. The gap widens and eye contact becomes harder. Small consistency wins rebuild self-trust faster than massive overhauls. Your brain needs evidence you're changing, not promises. From your audit, pick the easiest lie to fix, not the biggest. If you tell people you read but haven't touched a book in months, read 10 pages today. If you claim you're busy but waste 4 hours on TikTok, delete the app for 7 days. Document the change, screenshot it, journal it, tell someone, continue lying, and your subconscious will keep sabotaging your eye contact as self-protection. Every lie you kill, you reclaim a piece of yourself. But first, you need to understand this. You can't go from 0 to hero overnight. 3. Practice exposure before eye contact. You can't suddenly hold eye contact after years of avoidance. Your nervous system needs progressive desensitization. Exposure therapy proves gradual confrontation with anxiety triggers rewires your brain. Jumping straight to intense eye contact will trigger overwhelm and retreat. Week 1. Watch yourself in the mirror for 30 seconds daily while stating 1 truth about yourself. Week 2. Make eye contact with cashiers and service workers for the full transaction. Low stakes practice. Week 3. Hold eye contact with friends and family 2 seconds longer than comfortable. Track each interaction in your phone. Held eye contact with barista. Felt uncomfortable but didn't look away. Rush this and you'll fail. Retreat and reinforce the belief that you can't do it. Comfort is built through repetition, not motivation. Most people skip this step. Don't be most people. 4. Attach eye contact to identity, not technique. Tricks for eye contact fail because you're still operating from a shame-based identity. Identity-based behavior change shows people who shift self-perception have 3 times higher success rates. Stop saying I'm bad at eye contact. Start saying I'm someone who looks people in the eye because I have nothing to hide. Before conversations, 10-second mental reset. I'm not hiding. I'm not lying. I'm congruent. When you look away, don't shame spiral. Mentally note, old identity, correcting now. Then look back. Stay stuck in I'm trying to get better mode, and you'll always feel like you're faking it. You don't practice eye contact. You become someone who doesn't look away. Now here's the part that actually changes everything. 5. Build the 3 pillars of self-respect. Long-term eye contact confidence requires eliminating the shame sources, not managing symptoms. Self-determination theory identifies competence, autonomy, and integrity as core psychological needs. Violate these and your body creates anxiety as a warning system. Pillar 1. Competence. Develop one skill you can be proud of. Lift, code, write, build. 30 minutes daily, non-negotiable. Pillar 2. Autonomy. Make one decision daily that's yours alone, not for validation. Wear what you like. Say no when you want to. Pillar 3. Integrity. Do what you say you'll do. If you commit to wake at 6 a.m., wake at 6 a.m. Every kept promise to yourself heals shame. Ignore these, and you can master eye contact techniques, but still feel empty inside, because the core problem remains. Self-respect isn't given. It's built through promises kept to yourself. Listen, these 5 steps aren't a social skills course. This is a system to become someone who doesn't carry shame into every interaction. When you align your actions with your values, eye contact stops being a performance. It becomes natural, because you're not hiding anymore. You're not pretending. You're finally the person you've been claiming to be, and that version of you looks people in the eye. Comment congruent if you're done living like a fraud. That's your contract with yourself. Subscribe if you want the harsh truth that actually changes your life. This channel doesn't do soft advice. We build men who respect themselves.